Hi Markel, this is Stephanie Lewis from Gordie Boucher Ford and Lincoln in West Bend. I'm just sending this video because Louie asked for some help showing you some of our available truck inventory. I'm sure if you've been shopping around, you've kind of seen that things are getting kind of slim, but as you can tell, we do still have a great selection, and we would love to earn the opportunity to help narrow it down a bit for you and make sure we've got something that fits your needs. Please give us a call at 262-338-3379.